You're doing a good job.
Hey Seamus, we got a new shirt for you.
What?
You want to try it on?
Yeah.
Sit down with Papa.
Here, let's try on your new shirt.
I thought it showed it's a night fairy.
No, it's a new shirt.
Oh, it's not.
It
No, it's not.
is. Yeah, it is.
Cool.
Show Mommy.
Turn around, show the camera.
Whoa! Watch out for the ball.
Yeah. Here, let's see what it says.
It says, "Future Big Brother." That was his reaction. Do you know what that means, Seamus?
What?
Do you know what this shirt means?
Yeah.
It means you're going to be a brother. Mama's got a baby in her stomach.
Yes, you do now.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, can
You
I
were
see-
right. You were right.
Can I see it?
You can't really see it. It's very little. You
Ah.
can't see it yet.
Ah.
You're going to be a brother.
Yeah, is it you now?
It's in there now, yeah.
Yay!
Yay!
When is it gonna happen?
When's it gonna hatch?
Yeah.
In December. In 9 months. We got all year.
Oh,
On
can I
Christmas
see,
time.
Mama? Can I see?
It's right there's my belly.
Whoa. Whoa. It's a big belly, see?
It's a big belly. Alright, say goodbye to the camera.
Bye, Kia.
Bye.
Oh.